Hello and welcome back. My name is Marwa and today we are doing a Bachata step tutorial looking at the Madrid step for the followers. So we're looking at the followers footwork. If you are a leader and you're watching this, the leaders version will be popping up at the top here, so you can head to that video instead. For you followers, let's get to it. Followers, we always start with the right leg. I'm going to keep my arms sort of still just here so you can focus on the feet and the hips. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so breaking that down, we are here starting off with the right leg. When we do our basic, we usually go right, left, right, tap. And we're transferring the weight on each leg. And it's the same with the Madrid, but we go with direction. So we take our right leg, facing 45 degrees, making sure we transfer. A common mistake is not transferring the weight. It is just tapping and then we end up wrong. So let's take a step, transfer 45 degrees. Then we transfer onto our left leg and twist our body 45 degrees. Then we take the right leg, which is now free because the weight's over on the left, to step back. And then we tap in, face the front again. So let's do those steps again. We go right, left, right, tap. And I will hammer in again. Weight transfer is so important in this step. We go with the right leg, the weight's over the right leg. Left leg, weight is over onto the left leg. It allows each leg to be free, so you end up on the right leg. Okay? So again, first 4 steps. Right leg, 45 degrees. Left leg, 45 degrees. Taking the right leg back and tap. And again, 1, 2, 3, tap. And watch, you probably noticed I'm allowing my hips to sink and to push into that hip, rolling it round as we change weight, taking the step and tapping. Tap, you could do hip bump if you want, or you can just tap as is. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we do the same, but in reverse. We go 5, 45 degrees, transfer the weight. 6, 45 degrees, transferring the weight. Stepping forward, 7, with the foot facing forward, tap 8. So all together we go 1, 2, step back 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just so I can show you from the front, a key thing I'm doing here is I'm taking my Madrid 1, 2, 3, 4. As I do my 5, 6, as I do my 7 step, the foot faces forward. My leg is going in this direction, but my foot faces forward. This allows me when I tap to not have an awkward pigeon toe because I stepped in the direction and then I'm tapping in like this. Okay, so as I take that step forward, toe faces forward, tap. Makes for a much cleaner Madrid. So again, we go 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. So that is your basic Madrid.